CorelDRAW Graphics Suite latest version 2026 installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Desktop CorelDRAW RAR file select, mouse right click, WinRAR option select, subpanel last one, extract here, click. Extracted folder display on desktop, select, mouse double click, open, folder maximize, second folder setup, select, open, x64 second one folder, select, open, bottom side setup file, select, right side, file size 3180 KB, file select, mouse double click, setup.exe window first button, yes click, folder minimize, CorelDRAW Graphics Suite latest version 2026 middle section లో బిజినెస్ యూజర్ లైసెన్స్ అగ్రిమెంట్ CorelDRAW అప్లికేషన్ రిలేటెడ్ కంప్లీట్ లైసెన్స్ అగ్రిమెంట్ ఇన్ఫో డిస్ప్లే ఇన్ బాక్స్. స్క్రోల్ డౌన్ రైట్ సైడ్ స్లైడర్ సెలెక్ట్ మౌస్ లెఫ్ట్ క్లిక్ డ్రాగ్ బాటమ్ సైడ్ కంప్లీట్ highlighted second button agree click. Please enter your information, full name, system username PC, default detect and display, enter the number. Second box mouse left click, keyboard shortcut key Ctrl V, next click, choose an installation options, two options display. First one typical installation, select installing, please wait, bottom side installing Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable exe files, set of files, installation process start 0 to 100% installation process start, wait and here few minutes. Installation process completed, desktop shortcut icons display, unnecessary 3 files, select, delete, bottom side continue button click. CorelDRAW 2026 application run. CorelDRAW 2026 welcome screen, application related interface complete display, window maximize and close. Desktop folder open, first one file DLL file, select, mouse right click, second icon copy, click, left side this PC option select, first one new volume C, select, open, program files folder select, open, Corel folder select, open, second one folder pass utility select, open, V1 folder select, open, mouse scroll down, pass utility DLL file select, mouse right click, rename click, unnecessary text remove, DLL remove, dot remove, enter key press, mouse right click, paste icon click, first button continue click, folder close, system restart must, desktop shortcut CorelDRAW icon select, open, file menu click, new option select, enter the file name Charitech, layout later A4 and OK. Font tool select, drag, enter the any one text, font size